On News Central Television, we bring you this breaking news about the Kano State High Court that has adjourned the arraignment of the former state governor Abdullahi Ganduje and 7 others to the 29th of April to allow the state government to serve the respondents the notice of the charge. The state government is accusing the former state governor of misappropriating public funds during his time as governor, including the purported acceptance of about $413,000 and 1.38 billion naira in bribes. At the arraignment, the counsel to the 6 respondents, Lamash Properties Limited, which is one of the respondents, argued that the case was a criminal matter and hence the prosecuting counsel should serve the notice of charge to all the respondents. The trial judge, Usman Na'Abba, having listened to the counsel's arguments, adjourned the case and directed that they should put all the parties on notice. And now to further give us more details as regards this, from the court premises in Kano State, we have our News Central's correspondent, Marvelous Obomano. Marvelous, can you kindly tell us how it all transpired today at the courts?
Anyway, it was a bit technical argument today at the proceeding. Out of the 8 respondents that were supposed to make an appearance in court today, it was just only one of the respondents, who is the 6th respondent. After the parties had announced their appearance, he now told the trial judge that he will no longer continue the case today because the prosecution, which is the state government, failed, to make most of the notice, the charge of notice, personally available to him and other respondents. And then after the trial judge listened to some of the arguments presented by both the prosecution, which is the government, and the 6th respondent, he now adjourned to, the 29th of April so that, the prosecution can serve the notice of the charge to all the respondents.
So what about the rest of the respondents? Any reason as to why they didn't show up at the courtroom?
Yes, the reason is because the notice of charge was not served on all of them.
Okay.
And in fact, the 6th respondent who came to court said they were not served personally. And of course, that the case is a criminal case and not a civil proceeding, and that the prosecution counsel ought to serve the notice of the charge on all the respondents. So it was just a matter of technicality, and then the judge listened to all their arguments and then adjourned to 29th, and then directed all the parties to put each and every one of them on notice. And of course, this same trial judge also affirmed the suspension of the APC national chairman Abdullahi Ganduje today.
So do you think this is going to have any effect on the political stance or influence that Ganduje has as the chairman of the APC?
Well, the truth is that he, before the court pronouncement today, was the APC national chair, and now he's been asked to vacate, an ex parte order to vacate the seat pending on when the case is being determined on the 30th. So for now, he's no longer the APC national chairman. And of course, it is now left for the APC to put up an acting chair till the whole matter is resolved.
Okay, I guess this is one particular story that we'll continue to follow through on to see how it will pan out. We are looking at the date that this particular case has been adjourned to, and we hope that you'll continue to bring us more details as regards this. But quickly, Marvelous, before I let you go, I just quickly want to find out, a lot of people have actually questioned the reason why this case is coming up at this particular time against Abdullahi Ganduje. Does it have to do more with the fact that while he was governor of Kano State, he had that immunity that remains a clause that a lot of people have always talked about, why someone who's been accused has an immunity and of course will not be tried until the expiration of his tenure. So do you think there is one particular issue that could always slow the hands of justice, most especially in criminal cases?
of course, you know that some civil society organizations have been calling that these public office holders, especially the government, the National Assembly, lawmakers, and of course the president, that they enjoy so much immunity, and because of this immunity, they cannot be tried for any criminal offense while they are in office. And some of them say that this puts a straw in the administration of criminal justice, especially the fact that these governors enjoy immunity, and of course, when they leave power, and that is when the prosecuting agency, either the EFCC or ICPC or some of the police, will start prosecuting them and all. So some of them are saying that yes, that we need to bring down some of this immunity, that this immunity is actually affecting, putting a straw on the administration of criminal justice as regards to criminal issues. And then let me also give you one instance that happened in court. After the proceeding today, one of the interested parties, he did say that the former governor of the state, Rabiu Kwankwaso, that because, according to him, that because he wants to come back to the APC and probably he is eyeing the seat of the national chairman and he doesn't want to come to the APC and sing Ganduje. So he perceived that Ganduje will be a stumbling block to his, probably his ambition at the APC. That he said that there seems to be what I call a written or a verbal, negotiation during what's called the Supreme Court judgment that affirmed Abba Yusuf, that if the Supreme Court affirms Abba Yusuf, according to him, that he is going to come back to the APC. But the fact that he has had, a standing issue with Ganduje for a while now, he doesn't want to come back and meet Ganduje as the APC national chair. So that is why the government of the day is trying to fight APC, according to him. But I'll be bringing that report for us to see very soon.
Definitely, we'll be hoping to see the details come out from you as you continue to monitor the situation. Marvelous Obomano, thank you so much for giving us these updates.
Thank you.
And that's about it on this particular breaking news. Of course, it's one situation that we'll continue to consider as look at what the eventual outcome will be for the erstwhile APC chairman Abdullahi Ganduje. Thank you very much.